Back for part 2? Good, because the Supreme Court had some takes this term on IDs for porn, TikTok, and cookies. Yes, cookies. I'm a constitutional attorney. Let's go. Scrimetti first. Tennessee banned gender-affirming care for minors. Families sued. The court said the law doesn't discriminate based on sex or even transgender status. Instead, it discriminates based on age or medical use. Therefore, it was just going to defer to the legislature. The point is, the law stands for now, but stay tuned because the court did not decide whether the law violates the right of parents to direct the upbringing of their children. That's a much tougher question for the court given its longstanding commitment to that right. Next, Texas wants adult sites to require an ID to view porn. Privacy nightmare? Free speech chill? Law aimed at the legitimate goal of preventing minors' access to porn? Yes to all three. Typically, the court gives laws that chill adults' First Amendment rights very strict scrutiny. Here, the court said less protection because minors were involved. Kind of seemed like the court watered down First Amendment protections because #porn. Then the TikTok case. This is where Congress tried to force TikTok's owner to sell TikTok to a non-Chinese company because of concerns about national security, data privacy, and brainwashing. These are 3 triggers for the court. The court is definitely going to defer to Congress if the government invokes those 3 interests. And so yes, the court was less protective than usual. The interesting thing is that TikTok is still operating. That's because President Trump keeps delaying enforcement of Congress's ban, even though he doesn't really have the authority to do so, but no one's complaining. Back to legal nerdery. Thompson versus United States. Federal law bans making false statements to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. What if your words are technically true, but incredibly misleading? Justice Alito gave us the cookie test. Kid eats 12 cookies. Mom asks, "Did you eat them all?" Kid says, "I ate 3. Technically true. In context, totally false. The point is, the court said that the federal statute only prohibits false statements, but some statements that are technically true can be false in context. So that's part 2. Medical bans, porn IDs, TikTok. SCOTUS is never boring. You just need a translator. Follow for part 3 and bring your questions.